Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about inventory dimensions in Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Before we set up inventory, it is very important to think about how we want it to function. So why? Because the type and the number of inventory dimensions you create should reflect how your company actually categorizes and manages its items. In simple word, inventory dimensions are like labels or the characteristics you attach to products so that you can track, store and manage them in the most efficient way. In this video, we'll discuss about the categories of inventory dimensions. There are several categories like product dimensions, storage dimensions, tracking dimensions, packing and storage dimensions. There is a version product dimensions, and at the end we'll conclude about our discussion. Okay, so here let me start with the first category, that is the product dimension. So product dimension, this describes the physical characteristics of the item. So remember that when we are talking about the product dimension, it is nothing but the physical characteristics of an item. There can be various types of physical dimension available for a product, like configuration. Configuration means the variant, like upgraded model or different builds. There can be size, it can be small, medium, large or numerical size. There can be style, like a design or the pattern, like a slim fit or classic. So this is the style category or category dimensions. Or we can also have the color, for example red, blue, black. So if there is a shirt, it can be in different color, so color can be a product dimension. So let me give one example of the physical dimension. Think of a t-shirt. It may have the different sizes, colors and styles, so these are tracked as a product dimension. Okay, so I think the product dimension is now clear for you. Now we'll move to the second part or the second dimension, that is the storage dimension. So these control where and how items are stored in the warehouse. They allow detailed inventory management at the location level. For example, if you have 1000 or 100 laptops, you may store 50 in warehouse A and 50 in warehouse B. So storage dimension track exactly where they are. So that is why storage dimension is important. Now we'll talk about the third dimension, that is the tracking dimension. So these dimensions helps to track products for the quality and the warranty. For example, serial number. By the serial number you can track each unique item, like a laptop or a phone or any other product. You can associate the serial number. It can be a batch number. So batch number is useful to track group of items produced together, like medicine. So this can be a batch, or a packaged food also can be example of a batch numbers. Let me give one example for the tracking dimension as well. If a certain batches of chocolates has a defect, you can recall that batch easily without recalling all chocolates, right? So if you want to discard it from your warehouse that it is defected, then you can discard all the batches using the batch number easily, right? Now let me go to the another dimension, that is the packing and storage dimensions. So companies pack and store products in different ways. So Dynamics 365 allow you to set the physical dimension. So storage, which defines how many items fit in a warehouse location. packing is defined how many items fit in a container during the shipment, and nested packing also is useful for when the items are packed in multiple levels, box inside a carton or carton inside a pallet. So this is where the packing and storage dimension is very much required. Okay, so I hope you have noted down why the storage, packing and nested packing as required, and I have defined those. Okay, let me give one example in physical or in real world example. If a carton can hold 24 bottles and a pallet can hold 50 cartons, the system helps you calculate the total storage capacity automatically. Now let's move to the another dimension, that is the version product dimension. So this is a newer dimension in Dynamics 365. It lets you maintain and track multiple versions of a product. It behaves like other product dimensions: size, style, color, configuration. For example, think of a mobile phone and you have a version 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. that it can be says as 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. The version dimension help you manage the upgrades and track which version customers are actually using. So let me conclude over here. In summary, I want to say that inventory dimension defines how you categorize and manage items. Product dimension is the physical features like style, size, color, etc. Storage dimensions where items are stored. It describes. For the tracking dimension, it uses the serial or batches for the trackability. For the packing and storage dimension, it manages how it fits in the warehouse and containers. And version dimension, which track the multiple versions of the product. By setting up this dimension properly, companies gain better visibility, accuracy and control over their inventory. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding the dimension, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to help you or respond you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.